Alright, so that's actually super interesting for the storyline of Project M. Fuzz is making a very strong case for top 3 in the world this year. But now, after losing to J Falls and the Doctors, his resume is not looking so clean. And Jostin yesterday. Where'd Oates go? Tracy, where's Oates? Where'd Oates go? I got it. He said be right back. Is he taking a piss? I guess so. Just tell him not to start yet. Yo, Tracy. Tracy, can you tell him not to start? Me and Oates will be right back.
Tell them to like take a moment and like. Oh, Oates is back. Are you thinking of this? Okay, yeah.
All right, sorry folks. That was just a quick little break. My friend was here and I wanted to say hi, but I'm back in the stream. Holy shit! What's up? What? Oh no, the match was great. The match was absolutely great. I thought you were talking about the beer or the liquor that I'm holding. No, my buddy brought some hard stuff. Okay, so holy moly, we got ourselves a match up next. That's SoCal versus NorCal. I don't know if it's a classic. I don't know if they've played before, but we're definitely down to see some hijinks here from both J Falls, who plays incredibly quickly. All knows like all those little niche little movement tricks that ZSS can incorporate in her play, in her tool set. LG? Do I have to call him LG or Sugydye? Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. So he's doing it for Elk Grove, is what you're telling me. Okay. Hey, you want to hop on over here for a little bit? Oh no, never mind. Strong bad's back. I wasn't. Okay.
Alright, we're here. Alright, you got the Kraken.
You want to partake?
Oh.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Nah, dude. I'm on painkillers that don't want me to drink.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay, so we have Sugydye versus Jason Waterfalls.
Alright, so real quick about the last set.
Let's hear it.
Fuzz is making a very strong case for top 4, top 3, whatever, in the world for this year.
Who?
Fuzz.
Oh, Fuzz, yes.
Ever since Bigger Valk, he's been fucking murdering everybody.
Yes.
2-0 on Thunders.
Yes.
2-1 on Thunders, I think. You know, everything. But this tournament throws it all out of whack. Because they lost to J Falls and now the Doctor.
I feel like this is the Doctor's like yesterday was the preview and this is his like his full on like display.
This is the sequel, the remix. We're back.
But we'll talk about them later. We have Sugydye versus Jason Waterfalls.
The Doctor hot and fresh out the kitchen. Alright. Sugydye versus Jason Waterfalls. And Jason dies. He did side B when he couldn't have done it. We got the Cabage smash balloon.
Wow, good choice there, but I mean, well, was it really? If he hits on shield, the forward smash doesn't do shit. Oh, wow.
Yeah, Jason Waterfalls has been a real innovator in this character since 3.5.
And he's always been like even before that, right? He's been playing with the dev team in the back room for a while, right? Like just testing out stuff.
So we're starting.
He wasn't back room until about he wasn't dev team until 3.6.
Oh, okay. There it is with the okay. I was expecting a platform cancel on the down.
Anyway, as I said, Jason's been an innovator with the character. A lot of people said, you know, 0-6 recovery sucks. You can't do anything. Then we get J Falls, and he's like doing downbeat wall jumps and like killing people for trying to edge guard him and all this shit. He's been critical of the character's like innovation. Now we've got more players like Aiden and Blank writing their story for this character. And as I say that, Sugydye is murdering him.
No, it's I mean, yeah, you're right. He's like a full stock and some like a hefty amount of percent ahead,
almost
but
2 full stocks ahead. He was until just a bit ago when he got hit by the backer.
Wow, did he just stop the up? He had a shield. Good catch there from Sugydye. 2 stocks ahead.
2 stocks, minus 2%. Very important.
Wow.
I think Game Watch was this matchup, but I think J Falls is good at it.
I mean, he has like shit.
Loyal?
Yeah, Loyal.
You're from there, right?
Yeah, but I never really talk. I know him as Cameron because I don't really know him as Loyal. But yeah, you're right.
Fuck Oates.
See that right there? I had top billing for half a second, and they gave it a U strong bed. You know why? Because you're fucking strong bed.
I am fucking strong bed. Decidedly correct. Alright, we're seeing the stage band. Stadium and whatever the fuck that stage is. FD. It's off the table. Off the table. Don't go there. Alright, we're going to Green Hill Zone.
Okay.
Jay Falls likes the stage because he can cheat with the walls when he's trying to recover. It's a great Zeus standing stage.
Wow! He DI to the right on that?
Yeah, to the right. He was trying to drift back after the upbeat.
That was an incredible down air from Sugydye.
Farm is doing the thing. So like Zusu, as I was saying, Zusu loves the stage because anytime a victim is staggered, as in, you know, they're at the ledge and trying to get back to center stage,
yeah,
Zusu thrives. And on this stage, it's literally everywhere because it's so small. Also, Zusu's sandwich is very
It works.
It's very good at mitigating positional disadvantage. She is very fast on the ground.
Yeah.
Has high air mobility.
Yeah.
She has movement down special. So if she's ever by the ledge, she doesn't have anywhere near as bad of a time getting back to center as, you know, another character might.
I like that crouch cancel there and going for the down tilt. Usually he uses down tilt to kind of pop them up and build off combos from there, but good choice to drift back.
Making it tricky. I don't think he can up B. I think he's dead, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because he up B's led twice. And for those that don't know, the recovery up B's that are tethers, like Samus, I swear. Olimar doesn't have it anymore.
Oh, you're right.
This is Samus and I just they can only do it twice per air time. It's to balance their, you know, can't get edge hog ability.
Yeah.
So if you can trick them into drifting backwards or hitting them back off the stage twice, they're dead zone. So at that point, J-Falls is trying to get some sort of like a wall jump, B reverse laser loop going, but he died.
Oh.
I've been talking for so long that he's taken 100 damage since dying.
But it's a little bit more even now than the first match. The first one taking place on Smash Bros. Yeah. Sugydye still having a decidedly evident lead.
Totally.
I like that he didn't immediately jump into that down air.
Yeah, J-Falls, when you play with this character, so like, you know what, I'll say it, ZSS has a good recovery when she has all of her resources.
Yeah, agreed.
And that makes all the Zusu players be very stingy about when they use one. Because if she doesn't have a down B, doesn't have a jump, sucks. Just fucked her up really bad. So they're really good at like not jumping into attacks and things like that, trying to recover low when they can because they can leverage that tether. Oh, gets the outward hit of the down tilt.
And I like how he went so low and close to the stage for that recovery.
Tried to drag him down. Alright, we're gonna go on stage. None of that drift back bullshit.
Oh,
right. Now we out. Alright, NorCal is popping off. LP is popping off.
And that was an incredible back air there. He was able to cover the landing, get the pop up, and then go into the forward air. It was just a good choice.
Yeah, basically, so Game & Watch is really cheap.
I mean, he's faster than he looks, and then his hitboxes last for a much longer time.
He's as fast as Mario.
Ooh. Is that just a true combo if Jason keeps DIing that way? Like, just fair to do? Yeah.
Yeah, sure, it's zero. Zero can be CC though.
So can Zero's jabs, apparently.
Yeah, see, like, the thing about it is, like, Zero's fast enough to where he shouldn't be getting caught unawares by forward air. Forward air is one of Game & Watch's worst moves to use in neutral because it's punishable on the field.
Yeah, agreed.
He should be leveraging things like chef, back air, etc. Space down tilt.
What about forward tilt?
Forward tilt's okay, it doesn't accomplish much against good players. It's not punishable, but you lose stage position every time. They're gonna jump over you or walk up slowly and down smash. Or, you know, just like, alright, nice forward air. I think Farm is dead, yeah. That was a juicy edge guard.
Okay. Down tilt. Okay, cool.
Ooh. Chin jab.
This game looking much more different than the previous two. Jason actually has a lead for once in the set.
Having the lead like changes drastically how you play with the fast character.
Yeah, agreed.
Right, because like the whole point of the fast character is that you don't have to attack first.
Yeah.
You can attack second and still have your attack happen like more favorably or first. But if you're behind, then you have to like try to force the interaction. See, like that's why we see things like when Jersey has a lead, it kind of like runs away.
Yeah.
And when she's behind, it can be tougher to try to like come back.
Ooh.
It's fast enough and like it's nuanced enough to where she can like outplay, but it's distinctly different than when she has like a lead. All right, and I think this is dead. Yeah.
Yeah.
The DI in the corner was not good enough.
But with 2 stocks, Jason has so much room to play.
Yeah. Crumb still has his jump.
Gonna build something out there? Yeah, great weight on the get up attack. He's able to like abuse that invincibility and stop the down smash.
So like, here's the thing. I'm gonna say that this is all she wrote for this game.
You think so?
Yeah.
I kind of agree.
But the thing is, this Waterfalls has to win on his counter pick twice in a row.
And where
take this set.
And where would Sugydye even go for his counter picks?
Well, I mean, it depends a lot on J-Fall's band. Usually stages like Battlefield, Smashville, any kind of stage where this dude can't leverage the wall to recover is going to be helpful.
Okay.
I'm imagining J-Fall's going to ban Fountain Dreams to some other stage.
Fair enough.
Perhaps FD.
Why not like something like Dreamland?
Dreamland's fine. ZSS is going to live a long time there. Neither character kills off the top, so the top down class one isn't a big deal.
Is he going back? Is he thinking about it again?
He's doing DSR.
Alright.
So Karm won on these 2 stages, Battlefield and Smashville. So that means, you know, unless Great Falls is like, hey, put this counter pick into a stage you won on, you can't go there. So, looks like we're going to Wario Land, aka Bribland here in NorCal. We got the Brib in the background, we got the tapestry. It is regal as fucking here.
Now you mentioned earlier that he didn't want to take Jason to a type of like a stage with flat walls, right?
See, like the thing about it is like the blast zones here are so close that it's unlikely that J-Falls is going to be able to leverage those walls for recovery.
Yeah.
In any case where he can get back to the stage here, he's not going to be low enough to use them or need to use them. The thing about like a stage like Retail Zone or Delfino Secret is that the blast zones being so far out means it's so that he can like recover, and if the walls weren't there he would die, but if they are there he would live. That's not a dynamic on this stage.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Yeah. It's already 3-3 in this 4th match.
Well, that is so tricky. Using the down special to just get off the ledge and onto the platform. If he keeps doing that though, Karm is definitely going to punish him with a forward air. Karm being Sugydye. Alright, this is an up B into nothing. Classic.
That's because he hit a mid of B. If you would probably got him near like the edge of, or the end of it.
We didn't have a jump anymore, so we couldn't follow up regardless.
Ooh!
So that's the weird thing about Game Watch's forward air is that on the 6th frame it actually gets behind you. So sometimes you'll see Game Watch players try to like edge guard other characters with it.
Oh! And he still makes it back! You're just watching him there like for the entire time, like what is he doing?
He must have footstooled him to recover. I don't know what happened to him. He was so low. Alright, well, J-Falls
gets the kill. Oh!
Is that all?
That's all she wrote.
Is that all? ZSS confidently proclaims in the face of this 2D menace.
Okay. He's going for that reverse hitbox you were talking about.
This is some pomp and circumstance. I approve. J-Falls has all the momentum. And at this point, J-Falls can take trades like that. He can try to overextend if he knows he's going to at least trade. Because, like, you know, for every trade he does, you know, if Karm eventually kills him by trading over and over, now he's at, like, kill percent.
What? Oh!
A sweet spot back air will kill here. A sweet spot forward air will kill here. Meteor cancels the up B with an up B. We exhibit out here.
There's a sweet little forward air. And he gets with the dash attack. You can hear NorCal in the background, just kind of giving him pins. Cheers for the boy.
Can't hear shit, man.
Yeah.
Alright, he's gonna 9 him. Alright, he's gonna try to. Sweet spot back air will kill. Any down smash confirm will kill. He is low on shield, dude.
Wow, and he seems to be climbing in the mountain right now.
Ah, I'm scared! Help!
Oh, wow, that rogue sausage, bacon, your prep?
The correct term is food, but...
Spaghetti! Come on, Jason!
Oh my gosh, with so much spaghetti! Oh, and he gets the down air!
That wasn't down air. That was the down B, like...
Oh, the kick from down B?
I don't know what it's called, but it's like the dive kick out of it. It's her like brawl down air that she does at a down B. The regular down B is like the Chun-Li step kick. So yeah, that was real spooky. Charm had a lot of momentum, and J Falls was like, "Ha! You're in the blast zone. I'm gonna kill you now."
Very much a J Falls thing that he would say.
I can imagine him now on commentary.
Now that I have you on the mic, who's your favorite commentator?
Favorite commentator in this game?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't know.
Chad, who's your favorite commentator? Let's hear it.
Yeah, let's hear it. We're gonna read the chat with our non-existent devices that allow us to speak fight. What? They like me? Okay.
Let's go.
I'm glad to hear it. I don't know, I feel like every commentator in this game, including myself, has a lot to work on. I feel like commentators like Apollo Ali and Messi are really good at speaking to history and storyline, but lose out on nuance and like game mechanics. As like a player that's played for a long time, I'm able to like point out things like, oh, he was needed to do this, whereas other commentators will be like, the up smash, I think that was a bad play, when they weren't trying to at all. And like as an informed player, that's always frustrating to listen to. But I think everybody has a lot to work on.
Fair enough.
And I think it'd be more important to come up with like a duo we like a lot that works well together. I think like Lunchables and like a more like hockey commentator would be nice. So like Lunchables or me would have a lot of like domain knowledge. And someone else would be able to talk about like history.
Okay, there you go.
Storyline and try to condense things. Anyway, J Falls at the Project M number.
Ooh, is the recovery gonna work? Yep. Save the double jump. Wow, is he gonna get the kill?
Great DI from Sugydye. Everyone, I would have DI straight up out of real spook there. But he was like, all right, he's gonna down me. I have to DI out or I'll die.
And he waited just for that down. I guess the kick out of the down B.
Come on, Jason.
It's called a dive kick.
I guess the dive kick works.
All right, up air, nice. But you know what?
Let's go.
Jumping is hard.
Wow, the dive kick again.
There we go.
Dive kick.
Dive kick. Have you ever played that?
Yeah, it's really fun. Keats is a good game designer.
I don't know that was a Keats game.
It's a Keats game, yeah. He's now at Iron Galaxy working on Killer Instinct.
Oh shit. Shout out to Keats.
Yeah.
Down. Oh my lord.
Yeah, he's using this a lot on Warrior Land. I think it's a lot harder to deal with on this stage when the platform is like that. Like Sugydye just has to like jump out there with a forward air, and if he like misses, hits his shield, he gets punished real hard. Alright, there, yep. Bad position, a lot of damage dealt.
Oh my gosh.
Splits his up B with his up B.
And what I really like about the way that Sugydye is playing off stage is he's just tossing out an aerial, hoping to intercept J-Falls on the recoveries. Wow, again, great.
See, these lingering moves are very, very good. This is how I edge guard Zero Suit as well with Mario.
Yeah.
Is using the neutral air.
Yeah.
Between the legs and the tether character.
Oh my god, did he just kill himself? Oh my lord.
Alright, I'm scared. Alright.
What the hell was that?
Whoa! He air dodged. He tried to spot dodge in the air, man. Tried to sidestep. Alright, here we go.
Oh, he's gonna go for the aerial, yep. Good setup there, but he missed it.
No shield drop. Is UCF on?
The question is, can he shoot?
Yeah, everyone in NorCal.
Oh, good, a B out of there.
Oh, gets the dash grab.
Nice landing. These get-up attacks are interrupting J-Falls so consistently.
These guys are just like spaghettiing everywhere.
They really are.
This is a Campbell-sponsored event.
No, don't roll in. Wow. Both so nervous.